What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Will on a Whim. What it do, baby?
Here we go again.
My name is Will and I smell good. That's right, today we're sponsored by Scentbird because y'all stink.
It's about to be summertime and y'all still smell like beef.
I've talked about Scentbird once before on my channel and y'all sort of already know the deal, but I'm gonna go over it again. Scentbird is a monthly subscription, baby, to these little fragrances. You choose which one you want and girl, you have a lot of choices. But they do a pretty good, I just said do.
Humiliated!
They do a good job of helping you figure out which ones you might like. You open it up just like this, you twist, boom, and you can take these out. This is the sample. It's a pretty big sample. The traditional way that I usually go and get a sample is I go to the store and I just like ask for a sample and they give you this, a teeny microscopic amount. But boom, look at this. Okay, this is a huge sample. This is a 30-day supply. This one is Get a Room by Confessions of a Rebel. I don't know, y'all. It's a little sweet. Like I would wear this if I were having a fun day. You know what I mean? But this is good, okay? This is exactly what Scentbird is about, helping you find what you like, what you don't like. I got two more though, so let's try these out. This one is going to be Malin and Goetz.
It's actually pronounced Malin and Getz. I'm just uncultured.
Dark Rum. You better stop! Ooh. This one is like...
I love this.
This is business meeting, sis. She's giving me interview. She's giving me a headache. I can't smell anymore. I do like this. It's just, girl, I can't hard sniff this like more than twice. Twist and boom. There's a little spray nozzle and you just... And this last one is going to be, let's see, let's pop this open, boom. Tommy Bahama. Y'all know Tommy Bahama.
Who?
This is Maritime Journey by Tommy Bahama. Ooh, she smells like fresh out of the shower, whatever that means to you. Those are just 3 fragrances, but they have so many on the website. They have Gucci, Tom Ford, all of that.
What is that?
Scentbird is now selling skincare. We got some aftershave relief tonic, soap-free gel face wash, a facial scrub by Anthony. So if you ain't really trying to do the fragrance thing, go ahead and check out the skincare. $15 a month, that's how much the subscription is. If you want to get 30% off, go ahead and use my code down below. I have a link there. Go ahead and check it out. And let's move on with the video. Oh my gosh. Y'all, so I went to Spain, right? I went to Spain my senior year of college. It was my first time out of the country. One of the biggest issues was what was I going to pack? And by this time I was maybe like 2 years into my hair journey. I had already found some products that worked for me and I was like, no. I'm afraid to bring these products with me because I feel like they'll just spill out in my bag after I check it and like I don't deal with all that. So I literally was like, I ain't bringing nothing. Yeah.
What the heck are we gonna do now?
Ayúdame, por favor. Like I was in every single store trying to describe gel in Spanish and I was like, gel es como. So 2 weeks into my trip, I was like, this hair is on fire. Ran into some random Sephora looking Dwayne Reed. Found a cheap little gel for like €1. First ingredient was alcohol. Hey clown. I had these twists in that I kept in for the entire trip and I washed my hair in the twist and then I just redid them just with the gel. And my hair did not feel good.
Learn something from this.
Lesson learned. So today I wanted to show you all exactly what I do when it comes to packing for my natural hair. The first issue that I run into is like, what am I going to be doing with my hair when I'm traveling? Am I going to an event? Is it just leisure? Am I going to be on the beach? Once I envision a style that I want to do, that's when I'm like, all right, these are the products that I know will help me get that style. So for example, right now if I was doing a wash and go, I would choose this Melanin Hair Care Twist Elongating Styling Cream and this Wetline Extreme Gel. If I wanted to do some twists that would last me a long time, I would choose these Garnier Fructis like Styling Cream and Custard. These two together just really are bomb, period. But once I do figure out exactly what I want to bring on a trip, I'm like, do I want to like check a bag? Check bags can run you free all the way up to like $60. So then I check with my airline and I'm like, how much is this gonna cost me? American charges like 30 bucks. Southwest gives you 2 free checked bags. So for Southwest, I would check the bag because 1, it's free, but 2, because this is over 3 ounces and this wouldn't make it through TSA to go with me on a plane. But if it was American Airlines where I would have to pay $30, I would be like, okay, do I want to pay that $30? Because it's not just $30 there, it's $30 back. That's $60. So that's when I start to do a little bit of research. At my destination, wherever I'm staying, I try to check to see if there's like a Target nearby or a Walgreens or a CVS or something like that where I know they sell natural hair products. If I can get these exact same products or something that I know will work for the style that I'm trying to do, then bye. I'm leaving these at home. It would cost me less to just buy products while I'm there and then check a bag on my way back. So that's one solution, but the only issue with that is that sometimes the products aren't necessarily going to be at a Target or whatever. Like Melanin Hair Care is only sold online. So in that case, I'm like, how much of this will I even use? If you estimate that it's going to be under 3 ounces, then get you one of these cute little reusable bottles that come in like travel size. Scoop some of your product out, put it in one of these. Now these come in jars and all kinds of shapes and sizes. Just choose a container that applies. Saves you money because you don't have to check a bag. The second solution is to literally ship these to your destination. Now, hotels, hostels, Airbnbs, they all have addresses, and sometimes, most likely, you can actually ship things to like a hotel or a hostel. Just call them beforehand and say, hey girl, is it okay? They'll either be like, no, or they'll be like, yes. So there's that. In that case, it might be cheaper to ship all of the products that you know work for your hair and will be hard to find once you're at your destination than to check a bag for $60 round trip. Now for hairstyles, like I said, I usually do like either a wash and go, because now I know sort of how to take care of my wash and goes and like keep them and prolong them. And I'll have products with me that will allow me to redo a wash and go. Did that at Essence Fest. Go watch the vlog, sis. I literally redid my hair in the middle of Essence Fest. Or I'll choose twists, and twists are really great. I did that for my trip to DC because I had like an event that I wanted to go to, and the event was like 2 or 3 days into the trip, and so it was nice to travel with the twist, walk around, bop around for the first 2 days with twists, and then when it came time for the event, took those twists out, baby, and we was looking cute. I also have a vlog for that. Check it out, link in bio. Now, there are a few other things that I take with me. Oh girl, they're over there, hold up, I'll be back. There are precisely about 4 things that I take with me as well that aren't necessarily having to abide by TSA regulations. I like to bring these little mini shampoos and conditioners. I love this little shampoo. It is guaranteed to, only with a little bit, girl, clean my scalp. And I got this at like a CVS. This right here is a little cap and it's lined with satin, okay? It's cute and it's fashionable. This right here is a satin scarf. I use this just how everybody else uses it, as a napkin. Y'all know I'm playing. Y'all know I'm playing. I put it on my head when I go to bed. This right here, I use sometimes over the satin scarf when I go to bed, but also in the back of a taxi, in the back of an Uber, on a plane, sis. This is perfect to use because one, it's like sort of fashionable, and it's like, wow, I'm really out here stunting on all y'all. You know, you just put it on like that and queen of fashion. Police! Help! Police! Help! I'm sorry. Hello? Anna Wintour? Using this as often as possible, especially when you're in transit, helps to sort of prolong the moisture that you have in your hair. It lessens the time that your hair is exposed to the, you know, atmosphere, girl, evaporating all of the moisture out. So boom, invest in one. This one is from Urban, I want to say Urban Roots. Actually, somebody sent this to me and I literally don't even know who sent this to me. If you sent this to me, let me know. I also will bring a water bottle, not filled though, not filled. I got this one for $1 Bob at Dollar Tree. Empty it out, I'll put it in my luggage, my book bag, wherever it fits. And then when I get to my location, I'll fill it back up with water and... Okay, that's enough. I'll also bring a bandana. This right here, it has saved my life on many occasions. Sometimes your natural hair just doesn't work out. Your twist out might fail. Your wash and go might not do well. Throwing whatever hair you got into a little bun and then wrapping a little bandana around it always helps. It just gives you a cute little quick look. Another thing that I like to use is this, okay? It's these little stretchy things that I got from Goody. I literally can't find these on the internet anywhere, but they're really stretchy and they're made of this little fabric that's not gonna like suck the living life out of my hair. I never have any tangles with these. It just offers me a loose way to put my hair into a ponytail without it like, I don't know, being real hard to get off and put on. I'll just put that joint up like that, throw this around there, and boom. All done. And it's not tight, it doesn't hurt. Always nice to have that in the old arsenal. So that's it when it comes to me traveling with my natural hair and packing for my natural hair, okay? I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all learned something. I hope this was useful a little bit. I'm gonna list all of the products that I have here down in the description. But that brings us to the end of this video. Shout out to Scentbird again for sponsoring this video. I smell good because of y'all. If you stink, go ahead and use my code down below for 30% off your first month of Scentbird. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. And I hope to see you all back here real soon for another episode of Will on a Whim. But until then, bye.